So today we will start with class 9 chapter 6 lines and angles. Okay, here exercise 6.1 and question number 1 we are going to start. Okay, so in the question it is given, this figure is given. I have already drawn the figures to save the time. Okay, so this figure is given here. AOC, they have given AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree. Okay, and angle P and angle BOD 40%. BOD means this is already given 40%, and you have to find out angle BOE and reflex COE. Okay, so BOD is 40%. So BOD angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So what angle we have to find out? So BOD said then you have to find out this one. This one you have to find out. Okay. So angle AOC. So angle AOC will also be 40 degree, being this is your being vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Okay, so this will also be 40 degree. Okay, now angle AOC plus BOE, here AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree given. It is given. And AOC is 40 degree, you have calculated, plus BOE. Angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, or angle BOE will be 70 degree minus 40 degree equal to 30 degree. So this BOE, it is now 30 degree. You have calculated. This is answer. One answer. Now reflex COE. Reflex means any. So now reflex angle. Suppose it is the angle COE. So it's reflex COE. Reflex COE means outside this angle. Okay, you have to find it. It means out of 360, which is the complete. A complete, it is known as the complete. So complete angles are 360. Out of 366, if you minus this one, minus this portion X, so then reflex will come. Then reflex angle will come here. Okay. So here what we are going to do? We will find how this will find. It is a line. AB is a line. AB is a line. AB is a line, and CO and CO and OE are at one point. At point O of line. So angle COA plus angle COE plus angle EOP will be 180 degree linear pairs. These angles are known as, because it is on one line, linear pair angle. So these are linear pair angles. Okay, linear pair angles. Okay, so it means here AOC, COA or AOC, we can write AOC. So here AOC is 40 degree plus COE, don't know, COE you have to find, plus EOP 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE means this angle, COE this angle. COE will be 180 degree minus 3 and 4, 70 degree equal to 110 degree. So this is 110 degree. Okay, this you have found out, and all the total in a linear pair should be 100. It is 180 degree. So up to here it is clear. Now I am going further. I will just wipe off some portion. Okay. Now you have to find out reflex. So reflex COE equal to 360 degree, which is a complete degree, complete angle. Complete angle is 360 degree minus COE minus angle COE. Angle COE means this internal. So 360 degree minus COE, we have find out 110. 110. So reflex COE means outer. Reflex means outer side. This outer side. Inner is X, so thus outer side will be equal to 250 degree. This is your answer number 2. Okay. This is your answer number 2. Now we will go to question number 2. For this we will wipe out it, and question number 2 we will write. Here in question number 2, this diagram is given. Okay, what is given? Line XY and line XY and M1 bisect at O. This is your O point. Bisect at O. And A is to B is 2 is to 3. And this symbol is given in the question. If this symbol is given, it means it is a 90 degree. This symbol, it is 90 degree symbol. It is a 90. So angle POY will be 90 degree. This is given. Now, if angle POY equal to 90 degree, so angle POX will also be 90 degree, being linear pair. Being in linear pair. Okay. It is in linear pair. One line is there. XY is the line. XY is the line. So it is in linear pair. Now, here, it is 90 degree and their A is to B is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So these two angles we can bifurcate as per this one. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3 means 5. Or A equal to 2 upon 5 total. And B equal to 3 upon 5 of 90 degree, of 90 degree, of 90 degree. So A will be 16, 5, 14, 18 degree. 18 into 2, 18 degree into 3. 18 दूना 36, 18 3 54. So A will be 36 degree. This will be 36 degree, and B will be equal to 54 degree. Okay, these are the answer. One answer. Now you have to find out angle C. You have to find out angle C. So if it is 54, this will also be 54 vertical opposite. So add angle MOX equal to 54 degrees. So angle YON will also be 54 degree vertical opposite angle. So it will also be 54 degree. Okay, this will also be 54. Now you have to find C. Here what happens? here XON plus YON plus angle YON are equal to 180 degree linear pair. These are linear pair angles. Linear pair angles because this XY is a line. XY is the line, so these are the linear pair. So YON 54, so XON plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree, or XON equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree equal to 126, and XON is C, or C equal to 126. This is your second answer. So A, B and C, these are your answers. Okay, by this question is over. We will go to the third question. Now question number 3. In the question number 3, this diagram is given, and here it is given angle PQR is equal to PRT, this PRQ. Okay, and you have to prove this angle equal, you have to prove this equal to this. You have to done. Okay, so here PQR so here, if we observe this figure, the figure given, it means S and T is a line. By, if you see the picture given in figure 6.15 in the book, it is given. So by observing the figure, it appears that S and T is a line. So if ST is a line, then angle PQS, angle PQS plus angle PQR will be equal to 180 degree linear pair angles. These are linear pair angles. Okay, so angle POS, it will be equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. Okay, similarly that side angle PRT, outer angle PRT plus this angle PRQ plus PRQ will be 180 degree linear pair angles. Okay, angles it is. So angle PRT will be equal to 180 degree minus PR and Q. Okay, and PQR and angle PRQ, both are equal. These and these are equal. Okay, so these two are equal. It means here also 180 degree minus here also 180 degree minus by PR. So as angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, this is given. So this is given. So this side will also be equal. This side equal to this side. So this side will also be equal. POS will also be equal to angle PRT. PQS and PRT. Or this is proved. This is one axiom is also there. If equals of one thing is equal of other thing also. Based on that also you can solve it. So it is proved. Now we will go to question number 4. So here in question number 4, this figure is given. Okay, here x and y equal to y and z. Okay, this is only given, and you have to prove this AWAOP is a line. You can prove it as a line if these two angles are 180 degree, or Z or W is 180 degree, then only we can prove. So we will go with x and y first. So angle O equal to 360 degree B, it is what is? It is a complete angle. Complete angle means if we make a circle, this is here the angle here, this angle is always from here. If we will go, this is what, 360 degree. Okay, always it is 360 degree. Now x plus y is equal to W plus Z, or we can write x plus y, and here we can replace xy, this plus W plus x and y equal to 360 degrees. Then it will become pole, because these two are equal. So y and z we replace with x and y. Okay, or 2x plus y is equal to 360 degree, or x plus y is equal to 360 degree upon 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now you have proved x and y. You have proved x plus y. You have proved 180 degree, and this is possible. This is possible. This is possible if angle x this is possible if CO is on a line AB. Hence AOB is a line. Okay, so by this your fourth question is over. Now we will go to your question number 5. I will draw the figure and come back. Okay. So here in question number 5, this figure is given, and this figure here, POQ is a line. It is given POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular on line PQ. Perpendicular means it will create 90 degree angle here and also 90 degree angle here, because perpendicular always creates a 90 degree angle on the base, and otherwise if it is 90 degree it will also be 90 degree, because both are on linear pair equal to 180 degree. Now OS is between this line PR, OP and OR. Between this one line is there OS, and you have to prove ROS. This angle you have to prove it is equal to half this one, QOS minus O. So we will start with first the ROS. Okay, so here POQ is the line. OR is perpendicular. So it means angle POQ will also be here. POQ is a line. One point दूसरा OR perpendicular on PQ. So angle POR will also be equal to 90 degree. Okay, and POR is made of POS is made of POS plus ROS plus ROS, angle ROS equal to 90 degree. Or ROS we have to find out, so we will take ROS here and other we will transpose. Angle ROS equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. Okay, one side is over. Now we are coming to this point. Angle in angle. Now this angle SOQ. Angle SOQ. Angle SOQ is made of. So angle SOQ is made of. SOQ is made of. Again, ROS is made of ROS angle plus ROQ. And ROQ is 90 degree. Okay, so equal to angle ROS plus ROQ, 90 degree. 90 degrees angle SOQ, or angle ROS, because we have to prove it. ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degree. This we can write in other way also. This we are taking this side. Angle ROS equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degree. Okay, this it has come. So 1 point you have got it and 1 point you have got it, ROS. Okay, so if we add this one and this one, we term it as a equation 1 and we term it as a this one as a equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, what we will get? 2 ROS, it will become 2 angle ROS. It will be equal to what will remain? 91 is plus 91 is minus 90, so it will struck off. Okay, SOQ will remain, angle SOQ will remain minus angle, this is minus sign, so minus angle POS. SOQ, the SOQ we can write also QOS. SOQ we can write it as SOQ we can write it QOS also. QOS, okay. QOS, we can write it QOS. QOS, because it is in the question, it is given, so we are writing QOS. Previously I have written SOQ, both are the same. SOQ or QOS or SOQ angle, both are the same thing. Main is this one. If it is the same, then it is okay. So here no problem is there. Now, so if angle ROS we have to take, ROS means this 2 will go down and in the, so it will be half angle QOS minus POS. We'll put it in a bracket and this is your proved. This is your proved. And by this question is, I think this question is over. Okay. So after this we will go to the 6th question. Okay, we will go to 6th question. Here in question number it is given. First is given. What is given? Given is angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. It means we have to make angle, and here angle it should be 64 degree. Okay, and its name should be X, Y and Z. Okay, now Y is 64. Then xy is produced by xy. So better you make it here x you make it here, y here, and z here. Okay. So xy is produced to point P. This side we will produce it to this side P. Okay, this side is produced. It is produced. Produced means extended. Produced. In the question it is given produced means it is extended. Okay, 2 point. Draw a figure from the given information. So we have drawn. Now if ray YQ bisects ZYP, ZYP. So okay, here we will put Y and here we will put it XYZ. XYZ 64 and YQ one ray YQ Y and Q. This is one ray YQ is a ray. It is bisecting angle ZYP bisecting ZYP. Okay, so other thing is given XY is produced to P. This is your second point. Okay, the third point they have given is Y and Q. Y and Q bisects. Bisects means this angle and this angle will be equal. This angle is equal to this angle. It is bisecting. Bisects ZYP. Bisects angle ZY and P. ZYP means full angle ZYP. This is ZY and P. Okay, it is bisecting. Find. You have to find. What you have to find? You have to find angle XY and Q and reflects angle Q, Y and P. First we will find XYQ. XYQ we have to find. So first we will find this full angle ZYP angle ZYP plus angle ZYX is equal to 180 degree, because these are linear pair angle. Okay, so here ZYX is 64 degree. So angle ZYP is equal to, so ZYP will be 180 minus 64 degree. What is it is given 64. So okay, this ZYP angle, and it is bisecting XYQ. So we have to find angle XYQ. It means half we have to. So by it is bisecting. So half ZYP will be 116 divided by 2 is equal to 5 गुना 10 8 गुना 58 degree. It will be 58 degree, and it will also be 58 degree, and both will located on 116 degree. Okay, so now you have to find XYQ. So angle XYQ is equal to how much? QYZ. half ZYP is equal to 58. So angle QYZ. So QYZ angle QYZ plus ZYX angle ZYX. So QYX you have find out 58 degree, and this already given 64 degree. So angle XYQ. So angle XYQ will be equal to 8 12 का 2 हाथ में आए 6 12 degree. This is one of your answer. So this answer XYQ will be equal to 180 degree. How it comes? 58 degree you have proved, 64 given. 64 is given, it is you have calculated. So here to here, XYQ is full. So it will be full angle will be 58 plus 64 is equal to 122. See, this is 122. Okay. Now its second part is remaining, reflex YQP. Now reflex you have to find out. So I will just put it this side, wipe off, and now I am going to answer your, this is the last one, reflex QYP. Reflex angle I have just told it is outside. So QYP means QYP. QY and P. This is inner side. QYP inside is 58 degree. QYP. So outer side will be how much? Outer side is 360 degree minus 58 degree. So this we will write. So angle QYP. Angle QYP is 58 degree calculated as above. We have just calculated in the previous lines. So reflex QYP angle QYP equal to whole angle 360 degree minus 58 degree. Okay, so is equal to 302 degree. This will be your second answers. Okay, so by this your exercise number 6.1. This is all exercise 6.1. By this exercise 6.1 is over. We will come up again with exercise 6.2 in our next video. By the time you share this video with your friends, please like also and tell your friends to subscribe. Thanks for watching.